Good morning. I would like to respectfully pay our respects to you and thank you very much for welcoming our group today. We come from 32 different countries. Altogether, there were 600 participants at the 13th International Sakya International Conference on Buddhist Women. We met for 1 week in Vaishali to discuss issues of interest and concern for Buddhist women throughout the world. So we are all inspired and encouraged now to work harder for the Dharma, to practice love, meditation, and work for society. So we request your blessing. And this is our 13th conference. Our next conference will be in Indonesia, probably 2015, and we request your blessing for the conference. Thank you.
Quando conference poi anche 세계 창업이야 전지주의자 철지도 근데 이제 아주 유주당하는 회피 안에 도시의 배치시
First, I would like to extend warm greetings, Tashidele, to all the participants to the conference, the Shakidita conference, and especially that you have all taken the time to come and see me here. For that, I'd like to express my appreciation.
오늘 제일 가상만 시작했던 컨퍼런스 이거야. 영어를 해서 저기지 이렇게 내서 영어를 해서 이렇게 시작해. 예비된 나게 이렇게 아주 성으로 그런 남산도서 이렇게 벤치 and restriction 여기다 and 남산도서 이렇게 쇼하고 and 제가 이 가수야 이모조샤 제가 마시네 and 가수 conference 나머지 activity 성우야 하나님의 교육을
to me some possibility of my visiting during the conference there, and as you might be aware of that with regard to my sort of movement, that it is not up to me. You know that my movement in some sense sort of restricted in that I need to get prior the permission to be able to go to any places. So therefore, it's not something that I can decide on my own. Anyway, due to such circumstances, I was not able to make it to the conference, and so I hope you understand it, and I would like to extend my apology for not being able to come to the conference. But nevertheless, you must also know that I'm always supportive of the conference as well as the different activities that you undertake.
아니 맞으나 예시랑 없지 시행시험에도가 기란주 조림으로 나야래. 제가 기란주지 저기 가서 배치 로 가서 로드 도치 근데 조림으로 나야 되잖아요. 근데 방법을 지금 나가 시야들이 있어서 근데 이미디야 다자가 도시기 때문에 지기 강보를 마성에 이 강배의 동안딩이 가와 시에 나디 가와 시나에 니디에 저도 좋다 니디에 기분을 잘해요 다 저도 좋은 이분이 안에 개롱 파다 개롱만 김바디에는 개념 바닥이니 마도 잘해요 제가 상기기 때문에 일단 가지고 강지 강바치고요 디버시에 가와를 맞습니다 디시부 차례요 세상 디시부디 상기 때문에 인지가 매를 이용하지다 창원로야 게 집을지 용기 게 집을지 이거는 세상 디시부디 조직 계속 차례요
One thing is, I don't know much of anything to be able to share with you, and also with understanding that all of you gathered from various parts of the world, and I'm sure you had quite a great conference with much in the way of interaction and exchanges, and so probably it produced a lot of possibilities, and as such probably there is nothing that I can say or add to it. Nevertheless, the compassionate, enlightened Buddha, having taught the profound part of the Dharma, and in maintaining the preserving profound teachings of the Buddha, just as in the case of the example of a mansion or a big house, so we talk about the importance of the four sort of the cardinal pillars, the 4 pillars, and which can sort of hold up the building. Along the same line, that in the case of the teachings of the Buddha, in order to continue to preserve and uphold the teachings of the Buddha, and there is the 4 pillars, and out of the 4 pillars, the 2 pillars of the ordained ones and 2 pillars of the lay practitioners. And among the 2 pillars of the ordained one, the bhikshu and the bhikshuni. And then among the lay 2 pillars, the upasaka and upasika, and Genyanma and Genyanpa. So in this way, that in order to uphold the teachings of the Buddha, these 4 pillars are indispensable, and that they have equal responsibilities.
ene gerongda gerongma ene kinyen pasya ta de corona machine de chang ni na ene sa jo de temba thame wi de china temba yue de giro so namasa ni giro chi de chi ta de me me na ene ji temba thame wi ba ba ji xie tu ya de chi ta de cha de do che zang de bi de zen de ne ene ji ka shwe temba zingi giu ta ji po da mo ye ya me ta de de ji ka shwe yue bi na ane sa jo de ya sa ni de ba ta yue be ka shwe ta chun che ji cha de yue bin zang di gyun zen de xia ke chu le sha ta ne ji ke chu bi zo ma se be so 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 ya ngen chi chang lo ya ji go ye de le sha de de bi gyun zen de ne ma sa me din je da ngen chi ji yue ji da ma ru so so ni ka shu da le du shong ne ki be ne de za chi bi de chi za chi bu chi de chi de ben zi bi de ji bu ru chi de chi但这些发生好很多这种外地的技术学的，就这么大的上头真的多。
With regard to which is a place or country where the teaching of the Buddha is prevalent, and I think that is determined by principally whether there is ordained community of the Sangha or not. And so in this way the Vinaya, upholding of the Vinaya discipline is of utmost importance in terms of whether there is real existence of the Buddha Dharma or not. And along with, of course, the existence of the four categories of the followers, or the disciples, two of the ordained and two of the lay, so community. And so whether in any particular country, any particular place where the teaching of the Buddha Dharma is prevalent, is being maintained, is up to this. So this is very important. And so regardless of that the one is man or woman, and that is still said without impartiality in terms of gender, that everyone has the responsibility to uphold the Dharma, and everyone must recognize and that individually we have the responsibility to uphold the Dharma, and that is regardless of whether one is an ordained person, as a lay practitioner. So from that point of view, that recognizing the important role and responsibility that each and everyone has, and everyone must recognize and appreciate individual worthiness or individual sort of worth in this respect.
아니 아간다야 이내야 다 가수래 리숑가 지 콘슈미르스는 다 드제 토리아 창성 아주리아 지 지당 지조나로야 지 부면이가 가수지 면만 다리아 지당 아니야 지 니주르로야 비용이거래 안다나 지 부디스트 커뮤니티 디즈나로리미야 안 드제기 과 가수지 드제기 젠데네야 어제 가시리아 주만 디스베나도 주만 상황이다. 디스리아 다 디즈 가셔지 자바다냐 매지 시행의 고가비네데 나는 시임의 같이 자님이니 아직 가져야지 차상하지 막하고 내가 내주인의 먹는 거 배랑 배배 지도하는 처음이냐 나는 내주는 거 대가서 텐더로 간 내주 강연 너무 용리가 다 이미냐 안칼리글이지 가져야 주마선 이미냐 나는 소설이야 지 외박기 가져야 토단성을 소설의 외신 참에 토단성을 다는 신기原点 가리요티 가리요부요티 시험체제 참에 전례를 시작해 다티상 마루를 조리가 다는 신기들의 약격을 이 약격칭이 믿으냐 정보만 조리를 소수도 드린 유산이 준전되는 지 클릭이 이제 가서요 나다 문제에 지 누가 상보를 지금 통하기 제화다 이지치고 예배서 두스 나 간다야 조디 가서야 예 유카 체리에서나 조디 엔드 소수면에 딱 주마이냐데 다나시 라도 뭐지고지 기본모이냐데 참여면에 소소수기 다간다 외신 참여 토당선에 다 양한지 가게 다대가 남으시라고 신이성을 세는다 다간다 대가리들이 소수 하고 지지 이제 죄len체도 거라디 계집을 또 상태이게
So, because of certain cultural as well as customs prevalent in the different parts of the world, there has been, and to whatever degree continues to be, that when it comes to the gender discrimination and looking down upon women, and so deprivation of the opportunities, such things have been and are prevalent in Buddhist community, and as a result of that when it comes to opportunities, when it comes to education, there has been the lacking of such when it comes to the bhikshunis. And this situation, for example, is true within the Tibetan community also. And so in this way, it is very important in the present circumstances, even the bhikshunis also sort of, in a way, stand up for themselves and recognize sort of their rights and what they deserve in the way of opportunities, in the way of educations. And so these days, unlike in the past, that the awareness among the bhikshunis also is becoming more so, and as well as that there is greater general support that is coming more and more. And so given that, unlike in the past, and the hope and the confidence of possibilities is also growing in terms of general circumstances. But I still feel most important is it is from the individual side, and this is both for the bhikshunists as well as the upasikas, the lay practitioners, that being able to, clearly and confidently recognize what one's own sort of in the way of rights, or what deserving of oneself, and therefore being able to take advantage of, sort of address as well as take advantage of such. So from another sort of angle, in the Buddha Dharma in general, and more specifically from the Vajrayana standpoint, the feminine principle represents wisdom and the transcendent insight, for that matter. And what that really means is endowed with the ability of the highest discernment. And there's not talking about having gained some worldly knowledge and so worldly know-how information. And we're talking about the wisdom of discernment, and fundamentally what is good and what is bad, being able to discern and therefore embrace and abandon accordingly. So discernment from the point of view of what is fundamentally and truly virtuous, and as well as what is non-virtuous. So given that the essential nature of a woman, or the feminine nature, is that of wisdom, And while I obviously don't need to go over with you that the world in general, of course, women face a lot of difficulties and challenges, and but fundamentally speaking, and that there is no distinction at all between men and women. In fact, there is no distinction between any and all beings, without exception. But having said that, when it comes down to the actual reality of the world and in society, obviously that is not true, and that is not true in general, and that is not true in the Buddhist community. There is, the in terms of bias, existence of bias, and that lack of equal opportunity. So, given that, here one needs to be sort of highlighted is that aspect of the feminine, the sort of the wisdom or the discerning, discerning ability of the women folks, or that of the feminine, need to come out, and so that with sort of digging into one's resources of true and correct discernment, that is correct insight, and guided by that, being able to face whatever adverse circumstances in the world, whatever adverse challenges, and not only face adverse circumstances, but actually being able to overcome and becoming victorious over any and all adverse circumstances.
Dan iba je mong station me. Tam da dia ro gran ji nambe me chelo ane da da ro jawa chelo ko ne nambe me chelo ane jawa chelo ko ne ane gran ji 다도 지금 드링팅 가셔야 제사 드링팅 마음 제사를 차례 없이 나사다 때리네요. 예면에 두시 샤이 아마 뭐야 지 그란주 차례에 모두 열시도다 야지 그란주 컨퍼런스 때 나야 나라에 벌써 자도야 조슈에.
So, no need to say much, and so I want to recognize that how all of you very wholeheartedly participate in the various conferences and dialogues of this nature, and supporting the need for sort of to rise above the occasion in terms of the women united together, and so conferences, activities, whatever you are undertaking, and actually I also want to thank you all for all the genuine endeavors that you all make. And I want also you to know that you have my continuous and sincere support of such future conferences and your activities, and that I hope in the future that I also might be able to participate in one such conference. Thank you very much.